There we go. Jeez Louise. Now, attendance. Give me a moment, Jalen. I just got to have a meeting. Let's see here. I gotta close some of these tabs. I just got to. I was trying to do too much. Let's do this. Okay. Lord, that thing is irritating. Okay. Ugh. That's not what I wanted you to do. Okay. I was waiting for you to act right. There we go. She needs a reboot. That's what this computer needs. Okay. Ooh, get rid of that. There we go. I usually have about 5 minutes before I start class. This is awkward. Let's get rid of that. We still got 5 more minutes anyway, so. Did you turn in yesterday's assignment, Jalen? Or no? You didn't get a chance to? Hello, Gabriel.
No.
Turn it in, man. What's going on? You want to get credit for it, don't you? What's going
Yeah.
on?
But how you make the link for it though?
You said what?
How you make the link?
Okay, we gotta fix that, dude. You lucky because you came early. Let me share my screen. You should speak up if you have a question, man. Don't be shy. That's an easy thing. Did you click on that share button while I'm setting this up? You're muted. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you shared your project, right?
I just say I mean I still gotta finish one. But
Let me share the screen. 'Cause you're like, yeah, but I saw your facial expression, like you still a bit confused about something. Okay, so you can share. It looks like I gotta stop sharing, right? That's probably what's stopping it for you. Okay, that's Robert and then David. Okay, people getting here. That's good. All right, there we go. All right, so go ahead and try to share now, Jalen. David, you got to mute yourself. I can hear myself through your sound system, sir. Thank you, Dave. David got the volume all the way up. All right, so let me turn this on, and I got to do attendance again. Come on, present. There we go. Let's
I
open my.
was sure.
Yeah, I'm waiting on you. Okay, there you go. Now you don't have the share button there, dude. You didn't do your account correctly. I keep telling you, everybody. Yeah, go profile. A few students had this problem. Now you gotta verify your email address. Scroll down. I want to see something. Okay, go back up. If you click on, go back to that project you was working on. I want to see something real quick.
I knew I did something.
Huh?
I know I did something wrong.
Don't say it like that. You're figuring it out, man. You can't be negative about how you think now. All right, now you see where it says "See Project Page"? Click on that for me. You see it up there at the top? Yeah. All right, scroll down. Okay, so why is your account not doing that? All right, scroll up. All right, try to name your project. And then you got a message right there too, dude. You got an envelope message, a notification there too. Welcome to class, Miss White. Okay, just put the court right, and then come out of it. Does it change? Yeah, it changed. Now, what does that message say? Welcome to Scratch. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's garbage. All right. I think you missed a step when you create your account, but you can still. I don't know why your link is not working. Something on your end you're not doing. You either got to make a whole new account, but let's try to get the work turned in. So, do you know how to send me the file? Because I see what you're doing. It says unshared though. You know what? Hold on. I want to try one more thing. Go to your profile. We got 1 more minute before we get start class. And go to my stuff. Let's see something here. Share projects 0. Go to unshare projects. All right. So we'll figure it out. I have a way of logging in and seeing what you did. Okay. I want you to just focus on today's assignment. So open a new project and get ready because we got to get started on our norms. And you can stop sharing real quick. Let me. But you try it, man. Don't get frustrated. Keep going. Just try to program it because I know there's a way for me to log in and see your Scratch account and see what you've been working on. So we might have to do it that way till you can fix your account, or we have to create a whole new account, in my opinion, because you missed a step. Sure, what type of Scratch account you made? You might have made a different one. Everybody else got the share feature. Okay, so before we do the norms, I want to comb through the attendance because I was helping him out. We got David, Robert, Gabriel, and Jalen, and Miss White. Kenyatta. All right, well, I know. Let me resize this so I can get the attendance to show. Everybody else that knows what to do can already log into their Scratch accounts, and then at the same time, make sure you go to Edsby. Have your screen set up. What is this? I want my attendance. Edsby. Everything is Mercury in retrograde. All right. Okay, there we go. Man, she came yesterday, but she didn't come today. Darn it. All right, so I gotta reach out to Charity again. All right, Jalen, Gabriel. I'm gonna save David. No, not Jamar. He's probably gonna come at the end of class. Let's recycle this to make sure I got y'all names saved. I'm just trying to give the system time to update you all. Usually, where's Rush at? Darn it. I gotta find out what happened to him. He usually does the announcements. Okay, I got everybody. Good. Okay, now we can get started. Send it to office. You're gonna send it to office so you can give me a hard time. There we go. Okay, so norms. Let's start down the list. First in the list would be, of course, David. Can you read the 5 basic norms, sir? You can turn your microphone, Dave. Or you can't talk right now. You want me to come back to you? Okay, I guess so. Gabriel, you there? Mr. Mayweather, what happened to you? He stepped away. All right, I gotta follow back up with David and Gabe. Let's see who else I can get. Oh, okay. What happened, man?
I walked away.
All right, stop doing that. Read the 5 basic norms for me.
Knowing how to direct another person, education, and classroom are sacred. We will never be here in the world together ourselves, our school, our family. And the self-kind self-first student always act with integrity. We take pride in self-kind self-first.
Thank you, sir. All right. Who's next? Jalen, I was about to call on you. Can you read the 5 academic norms there, sir?
The 5 academic norms. Okay, respect the opinions of others, respect the culture of the classroom. We are tend to participate. We have high expectations ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary endeavors.
Awesome. Okay. So let's continue on. Boom. All right. So GGI Townhouse, right? We keep talking about this, and I keep stressing it because there's a lot of opportunities they give you during GGI. I think today, is it today or tomorrow? They have some musicians and stuff coming up. So you all are into music real heavy, especially younger guys at this music. I'm a little older. You might want to, find out how they made it in life and how, what made them successful. Use that as an opportunity. But more especially, I give out 5 to 10 points for participating in GGI topics. Those are life skills, right? You don't always learn those at home, but here we try to make sure you learn them, even if you didn't get an opportunity to experience them. So it starts at 11:15, ends at 11:45. I think Friday they're going to bring it down to 11:05. I can't remember, or 11:10, something like that. But go, it's mandatory, and it affects your student contracts when you don't show up, because it's like you're being non-compliant. You're being disrespectful. I'm not gonna go. It's in your contract, so go. This is Title One night. Is this tonight? I think I put this on SB already. I kind of get a better picture of this, but I think it is tonight at 7 p.m. from what I can see. Sorry that it's not a better picture. All right, and I just mentioned this as well. This is some of the musicians. Let's see, such as Two Chains. This guy I work with, Yo Gotti, T.I., Rick Ross, Waka Flocka. So, this is an opportunity to talk to somebody who has been in the industry and knows, how to get around. And that's at GGI. I think this is happening Friday. Let's see here. Yeah, so February 19th, Friday. This is during GGI. Take advantage of it. And then they're going to talk about financial literacy. Some of you might not know how to balance a checkbook or how to do a spreadsheet. See, a lot of students, they do this with the money, but the best way to manage your money is to put it in a bank, or, at least put it in some type of investment, not flaunt it. Mental health, how do you cope with this society we're dealing with now with COVID and being in the house? A lot of people can't take it. So I'm going to tell you strategies on that. And entrepreneurship, can always want to work for somebody. You want to create your own business. Legacy. So, come to GGI. I know Miss Chapman, and I know what she does. And also, this is an opportunity just to get you exposure to things you may not have thought about. From my understanding, you're still handing out this. Well, you're not handing out, but you got to refer a student and possibly get, take advantage of a gift card. He says not enough students to still get this PlayStation 5, and it's still there from my understanding. But I mean, if I wish I could go back in time and be a student, and I'd be referring a lot of people, like, come to my school, so I can get that. Because I think the thing is like $600 with accessories. It comes to about close to $1,000. Because you wanna have the games, you wanna have the accessories. So it's about $1,000. They say six, but after taxes is up there. All right, so points. This was yesterday. It was kind of cool. I think, was it one student, Miss Smith came, and it was a few other students, but she literally did not do her quiz, and she recovered her quiz score by coming to this event. So I haven't had Miss White read yet. Can you read what's on the screen there? I think Lisa was there too. Oh, I'm sorry.
They learn to code from the convenience of your home. They get extra credit for some of your classes. The pandemic's effect on the coding job market. Why learn to code? The Supreme Board benefits surprisingly
There you go.
full benefits of coding. Interested? Join by clicking the link.
Okay. Great job. That's 15 points. All right, so let's keep going. And it's this is an opportunity. It says get extra credit. Extra credit in my class is a quiz, but you have to participate at least 2 of those times in a week. So you got to come Wednesday and Thursday, and you got to show me you did the actual project. And we did some cool stuff yesterday. All right, so let's keep it moving. That'll be next week. You want to take, well, not next week. Wait a minute. Today's Thursday. It's tonight. Oops. Come here, mouse. Come on, man. There we go. I'm like, why am my slide not changing? I moved too fast. Okay, we did that one. All right. Who's next? Robert. Sir, are you there? I'm looking at a wall. Are you there? I don't see you. Did you step away? Yeah, Mr. Johnson stepped away. I come back to him. So let's try David. David, can you read from daily to the last daily part there?
Daily task students will be able to complete the Elevate in SB. Hello, all aspiring STEM students. Welcome to class. Inside of SB, can access all pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally ready to review by 4 p.m. daily.
Thank you. All right. Okay, so he got his points. Mr. Johnson, are you back? He left. Okay. Call in. Okay, so let's move on. Now, I want to talk about in ESB what we're doing. Come out of this so we can get started. And I can make some phone calls. See what's going on with people. Come on. Where's the link at? There you go. My mouse skipped to the screen for some reason. Okay. All right, I was going to jump on my phone and log in. I thought something was wrong with the system. Okay, so everybody see SB on my screen? I want to make sure because sometimes there's a lag. You want to, looks like y'all, I should log in with my kit too so I can see what's happening. Oh, I turned it off last night. Jeez Louise. So you want to be logged into SB and we're going to go through today's assignment, right? That start up. Dang, Larry, what happened, man? Overslept? Let me go back and mark him present now.
Yeah, my bad.
That's not good. Remember to log into EDSB so you can find the assignment and open up your MIT Scratch account online. Excuse me. I gotta go back and do Larry's attendance.
The fantasy teacher one?
You said the what? The fantasy? Yeah. I couldn't hear you. You're right, sir. You were already on there. Okay. Before I can even talk about it. So let me see here. I got his name saved. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, so Mr. Johnson, I'm going to have to remove you from class if you don't respond in 2 more minutes. And we got to call home and it'll be a follow-up process. You cannot be in class with the camera towards the ceiling, sir. All right. Hello, Miss Stuckey. See you in the background there. All right. Carmelo has just arrived. Okay, I was about to talk about the assignment, y'all. 1 second. Thank you, Carmelo. Where is his name at? He just made it. Okay. All right. So again, policy is keep the cameras on and stay in your camera. You should not be doing other stuff. It's going to hurt your score. And you will be removed and followed up with. So basically, computer science, right, is what Mr. Harper said. He's just going to go to fantasy teacher here. And we'll grab this and put it in the chat. Try to pick somebody who hasn't had a chance to read. Trying to grab this. Over here. Yeah, my poor computer needs a reboot. She's running slow. That's because I was in a morning meeting. Okay, please keep in mind, what else was I trying to say? That, here we go. So I'm gonna put this here for you all to read. And then some lucky student's gonna get 20 points for reading what's in the chat. So who hasn't read yet? I think Larry, you just got here. Mr. My Bad, you there?
Yeah, what am I reading?
Yes, you see it in the chat?
Oh, okay, I see. Okay.
All right, well, hello. Mm-hmm.
Hello and good day to all future computer scientists. You will need to create a Scratch account and the link and utilize the tutorial to create this project effectively. The link to begin creating your project for today is Events Final Teacher Sample Remix, Fantasy Teacher Sample Remix, and then a link. Use the code to remix your own sprites and backdrop for the entire program. All segments of code need to be ready by tomorrow morning's class. Please keep in mind that you must choose your own sprites and backdrops for this project and all future projects.
Okay, cool, man. You said that with authority. All right, so everybody click on the first link in the chat. And that first link will open up MIT Scratch itself, right? Hello, Miss Carter. So basically, if I click on this link and I drag it over here, you want to make sure you have your Scratch account on one screen, and on another screen, you have the actual example code that I gave you, right? We've been doing this since last week. We should, have the hang of it by now. So I'm gonna click on the second link and get that ready for you. I'm just gonna show you what it's supposed to do, give you a couple of minutes to work on it, and then we're gonna do share outs. Now, look, a lot of students are saying stuff like, I don't want to share, and I don't, and that means you probably was not working on the assignment for the 10 minutes I gave you. So please do yourself a favor. Don't make this a difficult class, because I can be a difficult person. Just do the assignment in class, because like I feel what happens is a lot of students after class, they get busy or do other things and they forget to turn the work in, right? So I don't know if you see my screen, Jalen, but this is that copy link I was trying to get you to use, but we can't find it on yours yet for some reason. So we're gonna work on that. But what you will do, Jalen, until we can figure it out, is I want you to put in the chat your username, and I'm gonna cross-reference it so I can grade anything you've done so far. Okay, that might help you out. As far as I should be able to see all the projects you're working on from that scratch account. So let me turn on the chat. I want you to put that in there and put your username so I can find you. Now, everybody else, again, we resize our screens, right? So if you have some gray area here, you can double click. Please be on a computer. Do not be on a cell phone. This is really difficult to do if you're on a cell phone. I know you all love your cell phones, but you can't do it on the cell phone. Really, you can't. You can try, but it's going to be hard on you. So be at a computer, be in a learning mode. I'm going to grab my blank scratch sheet over here, right? So you see I just click and dragged it, and I'm resizing it. You grab this window, resize that. So this is the same thing we've done before. Now you're ready to code, right? You got two screens. One screen is the example code, which you will use to rebuild your version of the code. Here's how you do it. Make sure you got your blank screen ready for coding by clicking on create there. And next, what do? Well, you can check out what it's supposed to do, right? Let's do that first because people might be curious. But this is the link I gave you. Thank you, Jalen. I see it. Let me turn the chat off so nothing weird happens in there. And here we go. So if you click on this flag here, all right, you'll see it readies the program so you can begin to use it. Make sure my phone is working right. So you should see my screen, right, everybody? Now, it tells you to click on each character to make it do something. And then, press spacebar to make some magic. All right. So all of my keyboard commands work. When I click on certain sprites, they work. And this is a real easy project because you got like 3 sprites in this one, right? Let's come out of this so you can see what's happening. And now I want to get ready for coding. So I click C inside. And here's your code. That's 1, 2, 3 sprites. Try to make today really easy. It's just you have to pay attention and use the code to get the program working. Now, a lot of students are sending me programs that don't really work. But I gave you all of the blocks of code you use to make it work. So please just follow through. If you are cutting corners and I start your program, I'm looking for it to run. I'm gonna know that. There's no cutting corners on that. I square corners. I don't cut corners, right? So I'm gonna close this out so you can see it. You got 1, 2, 3. So we need to create. I'm starting everybody off with I move all this stuff out the way. Starting everybody off with the same steps, right? So again, I don't want nobody getting this part wrong. Remove this kitten. That is a default sprite. You cannot use that, right? Jalen, we learned that yesterday, right? So I hope you did that today. Remove this first sprite. Do not use that in any of your programming. You have to choose your own sprites. Okay, I slowed it down today because a lot of people getting that, like, really, I don't know why they were messing it up, but it was hard. So after you remove that, quickly, so you guys don't forget to do it, because a lot of people are forgetting to do this when they send me links, share it out. Now, Jalen, I told you what to do already. You go to file and just send me the file in SB, and I'll grade it, and I'm gonna try to find your username. But let me finish this up because I got to follow up with Robert. He got away with something. Start off with the first piece of code, right? In order to do that, you need to first name it. So we're gonna name it the same. And the name is Events Fantasy Sample, right? So I'm just going to copy that over. I'm showing you how to do this easily. Okay, so double click and put that there. That's the first thing you should do. Where it says remix, you're going to type your name. A lot of students are not doing this part. So Tyler, that's for me. Next, I'm going to click share, all right? So do those things first, everybody, so it's not confusing in the end. You see it's ready for me, and it says here, project is now shared. All right? I want everybody to do this because I'm going to be looking at share outs and I'm be like, share your project, not share your screen, but you'll share your screen, but your project is not shared out so you can turn it in. So that's a problem. All right, next, we're ready for coding. Let's go back to see inside. And you see I start off with nothing. So I'm gonna expand this for a moment, but I'm gonna come back to my example code. So now I have a blank canvas. I'm ready to paint, I'm ready to create, right? So now I'm gonna come down here and you see this kitten, or I call it kitten, but it's a choose sprite icon. If I click on this, it allows me to choose a sprite. Now you got all sorts of categories, so you can be creative. The one thing I don't want you doing is sending me the same code every day, because I will know if that's incorrect. You have to send me the correct work. If you send the same codes, I will give you pretty much zeros for both of those codes, right? So it has to be original. It's basically authentic. It can't be the same program every day. So please, get with the program and get it together. Now let's choose a sprite. And when you choose a sprite, you want to choose one. I tell you this every day. Choose a sprite that has an animation. You know that because, like, for instance, this battle move, I didn't even click on it. I just hovered my mouse over it to see what it would do. So choose something like that to give you access to costumes that the sprite has. So I'm going to go, let's see here. Let's try sports, just different categories. I'm going to grab this football player. And I need, how many more sprites? I need 2 more, right? So I need, who is this? The monster and the cat. Okay. So I don't need to I can't use the same thing, right? The monster, I have to use something else. So let me click on choose a sprite again. And let's choose, I don't know. Does Amon move? He doesn't move. Abby moves. Cassie. Oh, let's just grab Cassie real quick. You need 3 sprites, at least 3, that allow for your character to move. So let me grab one more. Okay. All right. So I have my sprites. Next, I want to create my stage. This is your backdrop when it was read out loud, right? So your backdrop, you come down here, if you click on stage and you choose a backdrop. So you click on that. And now I got to choose where I want my background to be. So I'm gonna go to the castle because I'm feeling really regal or something like that. Okay, so now I got what I need. Now I'm ready to program. We'll start with the very first sprite. And code by code, you recreate what's here. So you do that by, for instance, you see this yellow block, you find it in the events. You click on events, the whole category of events comes up. I'm gonna grab the when click button, which is what the example code shows here. Grab that and put it here. I put 2 of them there. I didn't want to put 2. That was a lag. All right, let's get rid of that block. There we go. And the next one is the blue one for motion. So I'm gonna click on motion. And I'm gonna go to, right? So where's that at? I'm gonna grab that and put that here. All right, and don't forget, each block has descriptions you gotta type in there. So this one is -60. And I'm gonna hit the tab button, you can do that, and this is -41. All right, so this is as far as I want to go, and I want everybody else to just begin coding because we're gonna do share outs in a moment. It's 9:29. We got enough time for that. I gotta follow up with Robert. Are you there? I've been looking at the ceiling for about 15 minutes, sir. We're gonna have a discussion. Everybody else, 10 minutes, and then we're gonna do share outs, okay? Get my stopwatch going. Get on this phone. Where's my stopwatch? Yeah, you need a reboot. You're acting real slow. This computer's moving real slow. Uh-huh. There we go. Come on now. Timer. This. No, timer. There we go. All right, there we go. I finally got it to turn on. All right. Okay, now let me see what's going on, dude. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Everybody's still present. So let's do. Oh, Dave just left. Dang. Wonder what happened. Okay, so we're gonna go through objective real quick. No, we didn't do that part. Okay, come on. There we go. Yeah, camera's off. Miss Carter, you still with us? You turned your camera off, dear. Did you disappear? Okay. Gotta follow back up with you. Let's see here. I'm gonna ask her to read that. Miss White, can you read what's on the screen there?
Today's objective, students will be able to imitate computer science code blocks to algorithms for a variety of categories.
Operator, category, conditional statements.
Operator category conditional statements.
There you go.
First from term of the day is mathematical operators, and word of the day is exclusive.
Elusive.
Elusive.
Right. Pretty good. Pretty good. All right. So, let's see, she got her points. And come back up here. Miss Carter, are you there? Oh, my Lord. All right. Let's come to Gabriel. Can you read what's on the screen there? He stepped away. All right, Larry, I see you're here. Can you read that?
MIT, Scratch, and Microsoft Make code projects are required daily. Most projects are possible to complete on a cell phone. However, functionally will be limited. An actual personal computer is required to take full advantage of the course. Computer science is a graduation requirement for the state of Illinois via the Board of Education. For questions or concerns, email me at mtyler@camelotforkids.org.
Awesome. Okay. All right. Come out of this and turn on the share feature. It's time for you to show me what you've been doing in class, you all. So let's see how much you've gotten done. Hopefully you use this time to step away like Gabriel and Miss Carter did, but it's okay. Okay, so share features on. Let's stop this. Okay, first on the list would be Carmelo. Can you share what you've been working on? Can you share your screen, I mean? Carmelo, are you there? Looks like you're looking up at the sky. Did you hear what I said or no? Okay, he's doing something else. Gabriel.
Yeah.
Oh, you're back. You stepped away again, man. What happened? Gabe?
Yeah.
Okay, can you share your screen? Want to see what you've been working on for this 10 minutes. There you go. You're starting the show. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. There we go. Okay, you got your background. You've been working. Okay, Gabe. All right, all right. I'm gonna back up off you. You can stop sharing. Keep working on it. Can't let you go until the 9:55. Try to get y'all a couple more minutes to work on this. Next will be Jalen. I hate to put you on the spot there, man, but I need to see what you've been doing. You didn't use that cat again, did you? Thank you, sir. You look real frustrated when you had to delete that cat and do that code over. I was like, I told you not to do that. Yeah. Okay. So you just did that first Sprite. Okay. You're taking your time. You know you got to put some more sprites in there in your backdrop, right? Okay. And don't forget to name your project, dude, so I can find it when I look you up. Okay, you can stop sharing. You ain't gotta do it in front of me. Just work on it. Next is Miss Carter. Are you back? You turned your camera off, so did you leave the room? All right. Larry, how far did you get, sir? Share your screen. Get your in-class points real quick. See how much you got done in 10 minutes. That's the thing with these projects. If y'all just get started on it, a lot of the homework is not hard. You can do okay. I started to see something. Okay, Larry, way to go. You still got to, you see that orange share button, dude? That's what I was telling y'all about. Don't forget to do that. So when you're ready to send me that file, it'll let me see it. There you go. Okay, good. I see the copy link. So when you're done, that's what you'll send me. You can stop sharing. Yeah. Okay, so 10 more minutes. I think I got everybody. Ms. White, did you share your screen already? I wrote your name down, but I didn't write points by it yet. She usually has it all the way completed on her.
Huh.
You there? Oh, I said, did you share already?
No.
Okay. That's why I had nothing by your name. That's what I was asking, dear. So can you share your screen?
Sure.
Make sure you get your points. Like I haven't seen hers yet. I got everybody else. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh, I can see only a little bit of your stuff. You got the two screens going. Can you scroll over a little bit? So there you go. Okay. Yeah, I can see. That's better. Okay. All right. So keep coding. You're doing great. Okay. You can stop sharing there. All right. So it's 9:48. I want to talk about the objective one more time. Somebody get points. Come here. I'm gonna come to Larry. Larry, can you see what's on the board there on the screen? No, you can't because I'm not sharing. How about that? Yeah, I was sharing. And start sharing again. Here we go. Share screen. And here we go. There you are. All right. It should be coming up for you all in a moment. And then Larry, I want you to read what you see on the screen there in a gray box, or it's basically a blackboard with a gray background. But you see that there?
Students will be able to animate computer science code blocks to algorithms for a variety of operator category conditional statements. Classroom term of the day is mathematical operators. Word of the day is elusive.
Awesome. I need someone else to read it one more time because we usually got to do it 3 times. We had a late start. So I'm going to come to Gabriel. Can you read what that gentleman just read?
Students will be able to animate computer science code blocks to algorithms for a variety of operator category conditional statements, mathematical operators, and the word of the day is elusive.
Thank you. All right. Now I did that way because we have said it 3 times, but more importantly, take a moment and try to add, because only a few people are doing that, like Miss White. That's one important thing I want to say. And thank you for Miss White following the directions to the T. But everybody needs to start incorporating the word of the day in the classroom term of the day. All you have to do is make it display. So use one of those, I think it's say blocks, and have one of your characters just say the definition of those words. That's 25 points that goes towards your exit slip. And what I hate to do is I hate to start putting a category for exit slip and a category for the assignment. I try to make sure they're all together so you get 100%. Even if you mess up sometimes, those points help out in the end. So try to type them in somewhere. I'll leave this on the screen for the remainder of class. Try to work on putting those words in there. And not just the words, the definitions of those words, everybody. All right. That is an exit slip. I say that every day, but not everybody's doing it. So try to figure out how to make it show on the screen when you send me your code. All right. I think I covered everything. It's 9:50. I'm gonna set a clock for 5 minutes, and then you all be able to move on to your next period or get ready for it. Some people might not have ate had breakfast. Some people, I don't know, but use this time to get ready for your next period and try to be successful in all your classes. That's one other thing. The GGI link, the GGI link. It is always in your ESB account. I'm gonna repost it right after I get out of this class with you all. In all my classes, go. That's 5 to 10 points that you're just not taking advantage of. And then lastly, I'm gonna try to make sure I'm available for tonight. We have Let's Code. Now, I already told everybody, some students that came, like it was only one out of all my classes, Miss Smith, but there were other students there from other classes. But since she was in my class, she got an automatic quiz score restored. I'm not sure if you're aware of my classes. You get your lowest 2 quiz scores removed, right? So imagine you came to these Let's Code sessions and you got another quiz score added to the quiz scores that you get out of. That really helps you. So I'm giving you every opportunity to pass, but it's up to you to put in the effort and actually do those things, okay? Like they always say, I can always point to the door. It's up to you to walk through it. All right, so anybody got questions for me? Because it's 9:51, and I want to start getting this video ready for you all. Oh, the videos are also in the library. I made sure I put them all there, by the way. Yeah, I know, Google. I know. I was wrapping up, Google. Who's like, you got to move on, sir. It's my calendar doing that. So no questions, huh? All right. Well, everybody knows how to turn an assignment in. Like I said, Jalen, I'm gonna try to cross-reference your user account on Scratch online and try to see what projects you're doing. But in the meanwhile, once you get done with everything, click on File, download to your computer, right, and then take that file and put that file in ESB so I can grade it. That's the best way we can do it too. You can find your links or what's going on with your links. We might have to just create you a whole new account, I think, but we'll figure it out. So you can, it's easier if you just share the links, in my opinion, dude. I'm so sorry you're going through that, but you're at least able to code with us. You need to get ready for second period, though. We have math on Thursdays, Mr. Stuckey. You're gonna have some fun, man. You don't look so happy about it. Okay, it's gonna be okay. That poor kid got me twice this quarter. I think David, I don't know what happened to him, Concepcion. I had him twice. Carmelo, did you get anything done? 'Cause I got to follow up with who is it, Sprague and Adamitis, to see if we can get you started on something. Were you able to? Can you share your screen? Did you start on the coding? All you've been doing is drinking a pop in my face and looking at me. Yeah, okay, that's Arizona. Okay, dude, I need you to put as much energy into the Arizona when you gulping it as you do into this work, though. You are not helping me out to help you out, man. You just every morning he drinking something and just looking at me. Need you to start doing some work, sir. All right. And what happened to your brother? He left, or y'all in different houses?
I did it, but yeah,
Yeah.
on my other computer.
Wait, what do you mean it's on your other computer? What are you on now? You're on your computer, right?
I'm on the David's computer, and my
You on
other
David?
computer is at another house.
Oh, so y'all only got one computer in the house?
Yeah, so it's only one computer,
Oh
and he was just using his
no!
phone.
I thought y'all had a Raspberry Pi kit and stuff, man. I gave that to your
See,
people.
see, all of that is at somewhere else at our house.
Oh my god.
Right now, we just visited another house.
Okay, all right, Carmelo. Thanks for that update. Y'all gotta try to stay in class until y'all get that resolved. I don't know. Thanks for let me know. I gotta follow up with them and see if they can help you guys. It's 9:55, so everybody is pretty much dismissed. Go to your classes. We're running into week 3. We need to get these grades up, everybody. Gabriel, you can move to your next class. Are you there? Or did you step away again?
My bad.
Okay. Miss Carter, are you present? What happened to you? I got to work on her. All right. Kira Carter. She's a new student, I think. Yeah, she is. South Shore. Okay.